Allah Jalla Jalaluhu says, and we made the sacrificial bulky animals camel and cow among the symbols of Allah for you. In them there is good for you. So mention the name of Allah over them while standing in line with 3 legs and tied up with 1 leg. Then when their sides fall down, eat thereof yourself and feed the contented and the beggars. Thus we have subjected them to you, so that you may be thankful. Neither their flesh reaches Allah, nor their blood, but your piety reached Him. Thus we subjected them to you, that you may glorify Allah for that He has guided you. And, O beloved, give glad tidings to the righteous. Surah Hajj, verse 36-37. Mujahid says it is named Budn on account of being bulky. Wal-Qani means one who implores, and Wal-Mu'taru means the rich or the beggar who rotates around the sacrificed animal. Sha'airullah means to make the camels fat and treat them well. Al-Atiq means manumitted by the tyrants. Wajabtu means to throw on the ground. And Wajabatish Shams means the sun had fallen on the ground. Hazrat Araj had reported from Hazrat Abu Hurairah radiyallahu anhu that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam saw a man driving his sacrificial animal away. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam whereupon said, "Ride it." He submitted, "It is for sacrifice." He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Mount it." He submitted, "It is for sacrifice." He sallallahu alaihi wasallam the second or the third time said, "Woe to you, get on it." Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 1689.